mean, pen when I mean, you the parties they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months with your Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh, yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me, pen when I mean, you the parties they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with your Maya. Me, person me come any months with Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
Of late, I've been seeing you. You've been very silent. What's wrong?
I don't want to talk about it.
Oh, come on. You have to talk to me.
Please, I don't want to talk about it.
Oh. Unless I forget. I heard you broke up with your guy. So,
Yeah.
you know, that guy, he's a womanizer. Charlie, boy, you know, I don't talk a lot, but that boy and I can dear. Precious. No, I'm fatal. School must be a fine girl like you, Precious. I also want it on farm boy said and boy. Society. What's your way of saying na? When you say you're no auntie, Ben, you at it. Come on to him.
Okay.
Precious. Na they make a could say Precious and say, you know, me na me check you. That's a boy, no. Boy, not. She was saying,
Continue.
boy, no. I know it. Would you come up queen? No, he has been the hindrance between me and you. It is from the time I met you, no. I couldn't get the time to speak to you, but I say, you see, the chance I be there. But now, Jack, Precious, please, want to my boy again.
Hey! Just take your broke ass away from me. Why? Why?
Why, Precious? A
Hey, God. Precious.
Not to was a broken guess, and every a shy say about now will be about a warm bounce. Precious tea. I'll do everything for you. What do you want? Aroma cannot say it to you.
You, what can you provide?
Anything.
What can you provide? See how you are sweating.
I know if you are saying the boys near Bobo. It's a hostel vibes. Hey. I'm quick.
I was even tolerating because I thought you were advising me.
Hey. None of them boys.
All the. You are really smelling bad.
Me say, what's way? Broken hands them now. Society. You are
really smelling. You have to go and bath.
My way.
You are really smelling bad.
Broken hands are.
Hey! Get away.
Not to pass.
Go.
Relax.
Leave.
Precious, I love you. Precious.
Don't you dare touch me.
Don't do that now.
Stupid guys.
Aroma,
God, give me patience.
Boy. Everybody crash. Precious.
Yeah.
Tiwana na dream by na doubt. Huh? Baba ko penti wa ma be ma Jimmy for we. Say wa ko ma abra mema bebre wo school mu ha. O mbeti ma yo kama. Huh? Sure. Mami ka se mi chiro. Wo be yesi ya na wo. Obi o ma me do best school se bibesua de. Na da chi bi no. Nya baby papa si na o yare no da ho awatima hwe no. Wo betina a relationship sem. Where mama can't tell school relationship and Kosiago. Minimum cophobia, Montpratche, no more than Cratch and Modern, and so on. Cosi. Ubet not in a horse, Abbot not in a horse, and a boy, are there? Now, fear no talk of a problem, bro. Precious. I was a more fair. I was a baby of a beer, Bema Befro. I was a school Mohano, where Bema beer crash. And I naman now did some fun. Bema back up Jimmy when I ate to Akumo. Was some penny we Aroma win at Akumo. I better be far beside that. Come so much to see. My dad down boko. Mama crow. Akodi kwasi ampanyi we ntem na o dan dan o kura asese kan ototo no ba heart wo ye start school for ye ba first semester precious na minim grade out me minim sene na wo sitie ye tro exam sa wo na di kan wo ni kan so wo na atoso mienu sese won bebi a wo hura koto ni nyina jimi we hu tiawo titi yetimi try exercise and I hear exam to class na me metwa bi achen be ma huntiaw it won't realize say the wo ye na ye nkwasi asem ne de wo ba school enya nti ne de wo ba school ye de wo ba school se besua de ha wa we be school no da ne tuntumo wo ba school for na ye white chair say you pede why ha pede why. Are
you done?
Huh?
Are you done?
Am I done?
I want to be alone.
That's the mechanic I want you.
Thank you for the advice.
For
once, I've listened to you.
Huh?
For once, I've listened to you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yanko, your boys who's your woman, your bob name and fix him. Huh?
Do I look like an electrician to you?
Oh, say as a table, me the table to one uncle, General to fix him.
The fact that I was dating Aroma doesn't mean I'm dumb, okay?
She's still a banana up. We don't quit them in one a drink. Why? Huh? Precious, who go? What precious?
Ah!
Yeah.
Oh!
There's no be every a prayer. There's all boys are being seen on also want a prayer.
I'm leaving. You guys are too nosy. Mind your own business.
Well, some questions I'm not out to my winner son where my winner will first and last. I'm too naughty. Remember when I saw. Get we and I heard my feeling. Because my son to be other, me ba no ka bullshit at them, me call him no ka bullshit at them. Me branding who gunu so an point me kasa mo rough. I was started branding who gunu so because me any perfume. Aroma we crowd respect him. Say I am too nosy. Let's remember me kakraka. You are too icy. When nika kraka.
Pray that today you go be my day. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am bro so we me person me come and you want so Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. Pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come.
I'm Charlie. Can you spend me a little of your time?
I'm in a hurry, so you have to be quick, okay? I'm going to do something.
Okay, then let me do it quick.
Okay.
You are a nice girl, do you know that?
My boyfriend used to tell me.
Your boyfriend?
Yeah.
And is he in this school?
Yeah. Don't you know? I'm dating Opoku.
Forget about him.
Why did I forget about my boyfriend?
I don't know him. It's you I know.
Okay. So tell me what you want to tell me. I'm in a hurry.
Charlie.
Yeah?
You are such a nice girl and I've been admiring you on campus.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. And I guess this is the right time for me to talk to you.
Okay.
I don't want to make it a long conversation here. I want to go out with you.
Sorry. I told you earlier, I'm dating.
I'm not dating.
Whom are you dating?
I said I'm dating Opoku.
Forget this. Meet is for us, not Opoku. And who is Opoku? I don't know even know.
Wait. You're telling me you want to go out with me, and I'm telling you I'm dating. Can't you get it?
Charlie.
you have to get to know this, right? Opoku na wudi na chi no. Opoku na nya no so ba no. Ti campus ya.
Enye Opoku so ba na Mrs. Asi.
Oh, na men kasa. Opoku campus ya John side. Obi any wa check a fanboy.
Fanboy na be ada.
Listen.
I don't date because of money. I date because of love.
Into your love now, so on a
I'm
love.
going to give you my heart. Don't believe it.
Wait, someone has already taken my heart. Then I don't think I'm.
See how you are standing here mentioning Opoku's name. I don't even believe your boyfriend, your so-called boyfriend, brags about you to his friends. I don't even. Do you believe that? You don't even believe yourself.
I don't care about that.
Oh,
all I care, all I know is Opoku loves me, and
Charlie.
Whoa, wait! You guys are trying to, can I go? I'm in a hurry. I'm going to do something.
Okay, before you leave, can I get your number?
Sorry, it won't be possible.
Hey,
Charlie,
why are you making things so difficult?
Charlie.
I'm trying to be a gentleman here.
And I'm being a gentle lady. Okay, what's your problem?
Oh, Charlie.
Oh,
Charlie, tie Opoku. Neno so ba no, mama say ensi su bi.
let me see.
You're a fine girl.
I help Opoku see a fine boy. I am who Opoku ana. Hey,
Who's that guy?
fine boy Opoku. I am who me baby no. Hey, talk of the devil, baby.
And Daisy.
My baby.
Mingo.
Oh, okay.
But nothing. Nothing. Bema, tinaye. Maybe I'm meeting Sembi.
You're saying no one you kind.
I was talking to this lady right here.
It's no more than move tram this.
You drive this.
Who is this? I don't even know you. I was talking to this lady.
Hey, watch that.
And your name pops up. So what are you talking about?
Can you please come down and talk to my baby? Why are you? Hey,
Now told out now.
baby. I could tell her my best now come to see my friend. Can I go out with you? I can't sing the drum.
Mo muni nyasa mebwa. Na se bi o me pe kwa yi bia ma na bua bom pra na kwa abofre. Ya pe be ma mo se aboaje.
Yo.
Me problem na jimi me girl free me se wa mo. Eh ma me kan chew. Bra ma bra wo school mu ane ma do ma pa mo ma bounce me. Anyway, ohu me mobo ti ase ma me no bra.
Uche ma me your last option and answer them.
And that's the last option. Mami de ani pra na kasa no. Anyway, ohu me mobo ti ase ma me ma yiri no no bra. Ma hwe ya. Wo wo kan ni bre. Ma hwe ya ebe wo ba mo.
Yo, take a trip. You can't just walk towards them be talking bullshit. Do you know me?
Sure.
Talk to him, bro.
Never we no just scared to small.
Wait.
Or a Scottish man, or
Wait.
Or a Scottish
Point
man.
of correction. Who are you?
I'm Scanty Best.
And he's supposed to be
Scanty best.
So,
Jimmy ne scanty no kwenye guy. Me yon ho scanty no kro no se pleasure so on wo scan ne background mpo ye no on Jimmy no say.
Say nya form.
Ana be ma wo share skirt there. Are where or say what is Aroma?
Or a Scottish man.
Or
a Scottish
no,
man.
you don't have to explain yourself, Charlie. Guy,
Shede o ma ye yo mo gina wa wo so mo fle wa.
Me want some friend me some be Kenyan say mo me say no mo ba be.
Bra hostel wo dey call. Now go hostel.
Baby me koko ya dey on.
Quite you fast.
Me who ni na mo ye 1 me dina na bo be long.
So what be we ni nti wo mo hwe. Tum.
Me na go tell when you be set. Obe mo no kasa jero.
Yo,
that's what be ho ama ho te yire we. And
are you guys not talking?
Right side na me keka bi ntrom. Wo dey ko be bia wo na me keka bi ntrom. What be at the noon? Basa na tela chum.
Se muhu campus munchem. Ati. My man.
One can read that me ba afi na.
Me kan ye.
Kitimi. Scottish man was one.
Yeah, the Scottish.
Skirt.
When I'm school my bro found me Kevin John Sam na.
Yeah.
About 20 and you be kasa o today.
Sa wa carry na the parade no sia me ni apa ni be some say swim. Why? Be some say no ma tim mienu. Tamu Jimmy Sam no mo kwasa sem na mo de school ma bra nya me so. Enye me so. Ma we nya first and last girl me plan no.
Sa so dey want me
Me na me ne te e wo school one.
Listen, if you have some advice, talk to your girlfriend, not me.
That's why pose your own little baby. And what put no down my boys no make us.
And also done today.
That's a guy mine.
Listen, first of all, I haven't come to you. It's your baby I was talking to. So if you have something to say, just talk to baby.
I also to Brofuntino, the Brofu.
That's all best one.
Yeah, no, my reading more.
Best one carro for that.
What's it?
Best one carro for.
Now the school will be on the camera.
I is not carro for.
Munyu no. Ene mosket na ya mosheshe no. Da me pay bia ma me sia na papa. E china ko na bia akofa problem bia ba me no montem mesra mo. Musi zukura vena manu bida.
Opoku, vena onya no interest o ye guy.
Manu bottle water
ba su nene no girl nko ai.
See asema kwa. Let today be your first and last warning. Today be your first and last warning.
You don't have to
standing there between me and my wife.
Bro, you can leave.
Stupid boy like you.
You can leave, bro.
Look at this rascal.
Pep student.
And you're close up.
Yeah. Say me the bad boy also.
Say the idea, Charlie. John boy the ain't no fan full.
Yo, leave here.
Hey, who friend me John boy?
At the idea.
Mr. Pardon.
School will be anymore.
Alright.
Already.
Just when you tell you good luck to come.
Say they be a lack of.
Hey, simple.
Funny, do you know that?
I'm funny.
You are very funny.
I'm funny.
Yeah.
Bah, one way on me.
Bah, wow.
Oh, shit, get over Jimmy
You
again.
don't even know me, so stop bluffing, bro. Stop bluffing.
I will want no one out to it.
I got eyes on your babe, so if you have something to say, go to your babe, not me.
The bro who 2 by 4 be. Everyone say what can you ask you? Or come from friend when you or can.
Hey, Opoku abua.
Then I want.
We need be here.
At least you understand.
I say unya odia no je down.
Ba
Why?
be beje.
Mo ba je me je.
I get my eyes on your babe.
I'm only to map the baby.
Oh, yeah, beje.
And now the baby from when your baby.
Yeah, beje. Yeah. So we need to I don't be here. I want to be here.
Where you to meet you?
The fact that you are in the same uniform.
That was the you baby some no.
The fact that you are in the same level or in the same uniform doesn't make you my class. Leave here. Don't forgive me, just leave here, bro.
Okola na go do ya to so. Ya to na any threatening.
Yo.
Let me call am.
Charlie, open for me.
I got my eyes on your babe.
Eventually.
Definitely, I'll come for it.
Opoku eventually.
Who bet my dem again? Can I see you? Who bet my dem again?
Yo, let's leave.
Opoku, watch out.
Give you pa na se kama me to so a komo dada no. Give na off too much. Off because school ma get ma pa ma obi ampene o do family hwe so a opene ye. Na se obet ma ti ase ma obi a simple. I was saying mama ni da ho. Ene sa dia o megina fi mi sem.
Today you go be my day. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months.
Bye guys. What's going on here?
What do you mean what's going on here? Don't you have eyes?
I'm getting speechless. Aroma, talk to me.
You look good.
You good?
Mia,
What?
you were my best friend.
Of course we are. Precious, I told you we are best friends. You aren't my relative. We are not sisters.
Aroma,
Why are you surprised?
I'm really disappointed.
In who? Me?
Baby, don't talk. I'll talk for you.
You don't need to talk, right?
I've been through a lot in this school. And this is how you're going to pay me back.
How did I pay you back?
Dating my best friend.
What did you do to me?
Aroma, what haven't you ever done to me?
Babe.
I wanted to bring the beast in me. You know me,
I
babe.
know, right? Don't mind her.
Sure.
What's your problem?
My babe said I shouldn't talk. So.
Guys,
You guys were not married. You were just you guys were just dating, okay?
You ain't even dating. I was just using her, girl.
seriously?
You know.
Just know that whatever happened to me is going to happen to you.
I rebuke that.
I beg.
I beg.
Don't tell me
You
that.
rebuke that.
Just know that
No words.
whatever happened to me is going to happen to you.
You know what, babe? Let's go.
Okay. Next time, give me the orange flavor.
You sure?
Afraid that today you go be my day. Yeah, me pen kwa.
I've been meaning to tell you this. See the guy that last time I was talking to when he came there. What's his name?
I've been seeing him on campus. I think he's Scanty.
Scanty.
Yeah.
I've really done him bad. Though. Last time he spoke to me and then I slapped him.
Really?
Yeah, he even mentioned it.
Yeah, I can recall.
And then this time too, I've really insulted him so
You
bad.
didn't do well, to be honest.
I want you to please go and apologize to him for me.
Precious, I will follow you and go and apologize on your behalf, but please promise me you're going to stop that your attitude.
Oh, you know I wasn't like this. It's all because of this Maya and Aroma issue. I've been so emotional and angry lately.
Nowadays, you're being disrespectful to everybody. You have to stop. It's not a good thing to do.
Okay.
So I will.
But please apologize to him for me.
I will.
I feel like he's a very good guy. He's very caring. Every time I'm like crying and then in pain, he's always there.
Hey girl, why are you falling for him too?
Oh, come on. I'm not in that sense to fall in love right now.
Okay, I'll follow you. But please, Precious, I repeat myself, please.
You're
You know my
girl.
term, don't fuck around. If I follow you and you fuck around.
I know. I won't fight with him anymore. I won't fight with anybody. That's why you have to mostly be around me because these days, I don't know, I'm getting anger issues. Any little thing like I'm
Because
fighting.
of that Aroma guy.
No,
That ugly
I'm
guy.
I'm being stressed, Anderson. I don't know whether I even understand what I'm going through.
I understand, but please stop that attitude.
I've been really struggling lately.
I'll follow you, but don't worry. I think he's a good guy too.
Today was for supper.
I think Gobel.
Oh, Gobe, oh, I don't really like it. Why do you guys really like Gobe like that?
Yeah, I don't like Gobel.
Yeah.
But I don't have money, so I have to go and eat.
This school is stressful. I really want to go home. Like I'm tired. Every time Aroma, every time Precious, what kind of this is
You have to stop. That Aroma guy, I don't know what
I'm
you're
really
saying.
struggling in this school.
Everything will be fine, but please don't follow Aroma again.
I won't.
Because on campus, everybody will be talking about you, Precious and Aroma, Precious and.
My grades are falling. I got a C mad. A whole me.
So nowadays, you don't come for the group studies. You go and meet Aroma at a corner. Then you be doing your
I've
stuff.
been crying, doing this, doing that, fighting and all that.
Insulting. Add it. Say insulting. But it's okay, everything will be fine. Just focus.
I'm trying my best to change.
But come for study, so.
I will.
Pray that today you go be my day. Yeah, me pen when I'm in the party.
Looking for me? Yeah. Wow, why? What are you looking for me for?
I don't know where to start.
I say this one.
Oh no. Why are you like this?
Some those or school one or
We are coming to apologize. For the last time.
Oh.
She's really sorry for what happened the last time.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm really sorry from the insults to the slap and everything.
Kakri said that no can say me.
Oh.
That's what it is.
I'm really sorry.
Oh. Bye. Next time you should just know how to talk. Please make sure we should get to every now.
Yeah, sorry. So are we cool now?
Oh, you are cool. But next time, no, you should know how to talk to guys.
My emotions were dragging me.
Oh, okay.
I was really angry then. I wanted to be alone. I'm really sorry.
Boy, makes me cancer.
You can see I'm really hungry.
So please, are you cool?
Yeah, I'm cool, but
thank you.
I'll see you, the two of you, okay?
Yeah. Which course do you offer?
Business.
I've never seen you speaking English. This is the first time I'm seeing you speaking English.
I speak, and I spoke. I spoke. Yeah.
It's okay.
Precious.
Thank you.
Why did you come here?
Oh, it's okay. Never mind. Thank you so much.
Whenever I see her,
Okay. Yes, can't you?
Precious. I said, boy.
I'll see you later.
I'm the pacho.
Eh, some got you.
So I am there.
She. So no sooner me kokoro na. Oya no style bia na afere. Onu no.
Anti, dina no mujina na precious no power watch.
Fa won twime yi ne be. But the class, be my
na precious no power watch. Nti dina no ojina na na chopper.
Se me ni packet wo. Pacho se, nka cho so beba.
Wani bi se mana? Edi atem keke no odidi wo no.
She.
Ana se gen wo respect bi jabio.
I don't ombu. So when
I say but wo na mo be power cho.
Ara den.
Edi atem keke no odidi wo.
Be no kwa na nsi da nye didi atem bia like.
Ana wa ba wani Oni na danfo abo ni mu be po acho.
Waba senior man ni na. Ade how na.
Oh, there be an shada hamsa.
Some so do atemo be buy power acho. So oni na nye yi bia, oni nya confusion bia na.
Oh,
and our cassette ya no be power acho. Because I get
it my cassette am. Na mbe gina wo se de na no si wo so.
Okay.
Take no fali mi o.
Sa, ntimi wo so akasa ho krada.
Wa bie na no kra pen ba ze.
Me na se yeah.
But say ono me fa ne shada nya hwi nti no. Ti o be power acho.
O be power acho. So again do cassette ya kakra power acho.
And na wo say flex no.
O say me flex, no say me flex cross and ra ho.
Okay, wo say wa nya dio. Because me dey on
asa wo kan bi wo so wa nya dey say.
No wo you cry. Nti no o power acho say the odi ya uni nti no o ka sorry.
So buy no na no ye.
Okay, the matter.
Ara bibi o wa.
Oh, bibi ani ho.
Opoku bra. Say na me no ti ase.
Na me say bibi ani ho. Ada wo pese bibi ba.
Dabra bibi anti. Say we school mu ade. Anti na go so ma we ni je. Say na me no ti e no.
Na say oba na ba port.
So ni aje. Oni aje. Anti wa say we ya won style cry mo
oh. Ayi kan say me call trank ni me say hwe nim. Ade.
Na say wa onim.
Why you free man?
Dabra bi man fa mba o.
Hwe nim.
Dabra bi e ba na say. Anti me fa dan India agro no.
That was last week saying no gum kama ati tisi ara san.
Me ya ma sa girl ba ko na.
O do nyoma ma oba. Na scanty na dey o juni fa hen. O nyoma na go trank ni what say acha oba. Na me so me medadi.
Tabi e be ko dining. Ye mom fo en fili odo mo na en ko dining. Ni na dey je max ya dey je score. So wa dwon fo. Tinye iba na ada wo free fear ba ma o hwe na ase de bia we need dam so sa
ko ni mo abanchi tuwa yi no mana ma oba o
me de amano
mate
kwawe
ayo kama wasa mana
o da bi a chopa no be o da na se me kan wasa me kan no we ni ase stone be patch o na mente ase
bebe am kokora me nyanko ti ge ni be patch o
be pa ma cho no
wo bibi kana
o mi ni bibi aka e do ye na eme nwanwa o ya na be pa ma cho kwa win ko sin ka sesa no free na
ko se me ni aje
o se ni na ndru ye mbi se huri nti oni aje no so me say na ko entertainment a huri
precious.
O fila me on.
Me ni ade ba.
Na me ka so pio se ko don.
Me ko inside.
Okay, me hata me shirt na ba me ba sisi why? Okay.
Sir,
what question?
Sir, I just some two questions. Sir, your what fast na no one, sir. Yes. Sir, boy no who ni say?
Adam. So they were best school ma wo sua
de. School na mo de ne ba mo ba se o mesua o mra school mo mesua de no mpe bi papa mra fia na se mo de ne ba school so mo boy adwaman.
Na ntibwa ne brem teacher ni like me na me wo fast na me de ne best school asem so me boy adwaman se say. E de ne wo hu de na e
am I talking too much? Sir, could you believe say o fast no on precious chimpna. On precious chimpna ama ewie ya me pie me kwaje me nyoma bi oge bi hono ma me duani mu ha precious no na kofa na dan for mo be pa boy na chew say an o ka so won fe na no ama na mfe na no na enu hu abufuo nti boy no bu afu ama ge ne be pa na
Adam me wo fase Adam se ne precious so twempna
o mo twempna mu odin say enya say bia nchen plan twe enketenkete bi o mo twempna mu odin
na nti te say bi ase no bo wo fase na ye na se wa mo na ye
na make me what kind of cash again
what kind of cash
what kind get cash again in some
wallahi me tumi wo fast na free ho
Debbie we no
say Debbie tie listen wo bia ye di wa best school se bra me bi sua de no empra twe na wo so school wo mo suban ya me koka da bia mo ntie no
na mo suban ye de
medase
ana me de me wo fade omo nim de omo sika ye no omo de ma beto school ma me de me ba ha se me babo adwaman yo me de ma no me son omo la me no omo nyina beda ana me say obi e do beto school
ana so no obi beda
o so oni girls ni nyina beda si
se wo ye sa de we ya me na powasem Who be you school one? And what be true ama me? Or we say ya me that how?
What I say, sometimes don't you do or una ya ma koko baso.
Me fetch chukuma. Who the chukuba? Then me I like chuku.
So it's all about chuku.
Me nipa we chuku we have to be me pe wasem papa.
Say me
bien why or then about to Judas. Me nipa ma to Judas.
Then who per se they say mid bebre ho. And some dey be dey bia me de mani hu bi. Ba asem me na ya na.
Say dey bien na sa do ani hu.
Ayi gay ba ku ya the fence. Oh there water do books ko jawe. Oh, the mercy of someone.
Ayi, Asantua.
Ono wana who be this say. Who dem me twaso e bia na bia kan bia no collapse.
Oh, David me collapse. What the books ne ko jame keke. Na me
na dan ne wo ne to be say me wuti wo fast ne fifia. Some ka say wan hwe anu mna.
David akra na de hwe ne hia me o.
O fefe na no ni san nam sabi ni no fo. Na mpie so na say hey
Adams
no and I say hey and then as if you kete bi tete
me tiri hu sanam tiri hu te
o figure ya no
that's it ayi twi ne mass no ene you know then na won hye da nyade
say me de bia me catch us science
me ne science teacher be kasa sources na dia be me na ma tip of
Mate. Say me ye wo ni say ya on say asumdue na de betena tuma. Wo fefe na no. Na de kumi kura ne say de get
Adam fefe na no.
Negative machine num no mo fefe o ma no.
Ante me das.
Say na library mu nya no mo nwie ya sa che.
Me no mbe kasa.
Because library am kasa mu sine dada.
Mini na wa ban.
That's aban na beto aso.
Nse foforo ko e na fe na foforo aba.
Okay, to ono beto aso.
Ti e hede ono so be ya mai.
Mate.
Amene na kasa obe.
Oni aban na kasa.
Obe.
Ada wuta relate to aban.
Ma stand the MP da.
Sir, tell na say o se ballot boss.
Wona na wate aboa wate. Jimmy Sam, come on, out from the library, out of the library. Out of the library. I said out of the library. When you said your church, what Jimmy Sam everything? Who put us up on? Come on.
Who's was standing MP there? Na make us say yeah
Jimmy Fuet to sell.
Say constituency way.
Tafu constituency.
Tafu constituency.
Yeah.
And now pre MP say na wanya.
Minya ba ko ma Antoine.
How many votes?
Hey, what's in what fina no?
Oh, fina no say. Fina no. And I gave you sabe pa na chewe. Enfia no, I think oh fina no 2 hours. Na Adams no na mpene no fina no wana. E no ho
wo Adams wo ye do wa best school se besua de no. Ene ma Adams ye no no.
Na you see oni eda o class. Enwure bi. So oni ne da class. Me modi.
Oh bra ka so ajimen kan na bla.
What tell to just a ballot boss.
What the bla me say?
It's a ballot boss yeah. Oni gay. Omo da o class.
Get bay.
Me money the answer wo mu na to ayini say de met makano no why as I say me wurem dodo etu de me de met makano say tuba ne fo
wo fa se
tu ne fo na me say Ghana haya na mfi
Ghana Krobeso
mfi
Kumasi fine Asante region fine
ifi ai mfi
tafu fi bi
ifi ya mfi hono ahimfi na chi
obia ya wasi
won te kwa himbro no mu
ho na awo ho afie ho aba no
me ma na fiasewa
afiasewa aba no tintin wa jimi
say tintin 24 24 ene mommy din so me sraw konkonsa ni bia sa mommy din why ayi se wodi abufu ko mommy din no wait o ba me ni ampresen ne ne tena na wadam so ba na tima ba wani ma bebu nkotodwe po achew ai man se okran ka majimi we kura ye mu comedies Adams County me and you ever say Van Damme no commando